Movable partition walls, also known as operable walls, are becoming a modern solution for flexible commercial space design. Instead of using traditional fixed walls that permanently separate rooms, movable partitions allow large areas to be opened up or divided into smaller functional spaces whenever needed. They are widely used in hotels, conference centers, offices, schools, hospitals, and many commercial buildings that require multi-purpose space management. Ebunge movable partition wall systems are designed with strong aluminum frames, premium sound insulation materials, and smooth overhead sliding tracks. Every panel is individually movable and can be easily stored in a small parking space when the wall is open. This feature allows users to transform a big hall into several meeting rooms or function rooms within just a few minutes. Ebunge movable walls provide professional sound insulation, which helps create privacy and reduce noise transfer between rooms depending on different models, thickness, and project requirements, which is excellent for commercial applications such as conferences, wedding venues, corporate meeting rooms, and training centers. Silent and comfortable communication has become extremely important in modern working spaces, and the movable walls are providing an ideal solution for this purpose. Ebunge also provides a wide selection of finishes and decorative options. Customers can choose melamine, laminate, fabric, HPL, plywood, and acoustic panel surfaces, which allows the partition wall to match different architectural styles, interior design themes, and color preferences. We can also customize unique surface textures for hotels and corporate projects. At the same time, the system does not require any floor track, keeping the flooring continuous and clean, which is very important for premium commercial environments. In recent years, modern buildings have started to prefer open plan design, but at the same time, privacy, sound insulation, and flexibility remain necessary. Movable partitions solve all of these requirements at the same time. For example, a conference hall can instantly become two separate spaces for parallel meetings. A hotel banquet hall can hold two events at the same time. An office can switch from open co-working mode to private meeting mode whenever necessary. These flexible functions greatly improve space utilization and increase commercial value for the building owner. Ebunge has more than 16 years of experience, and we provide a complete one-stop solution, including professional design, on-site measurement, manufacturing, transportation, and global installation guidance. Today, our movable partition systems are used in many countries around the world, and we continue to support architects, designers, and contractors with flexible commercial space. If you are looking for a reliable movable partition wall supplier, please contact Ebunge at any time. We will assist you with professional movable wall solutions.